How to find and wholesale the tired landlord list inside of XLeads. What is up, guys? Zach in here. In today's video, I want to show you how inside of XLeads you can actually get the tired landlord list and wholesale it for wholesaling real estate. Now, the one thing I want to tell you is, what is a tired landlord list? Remember, a tired landlord list is a list of landlords, people that own real estate, that are renting it out, that have probably owned it for a while. They're sick of the property, they're bored of it, and they just want to get rid of the house. So inside of XLeads, we can do that too. And also, you might hear a lot of real estate individuals and influencers talk about this. And another list I like to say is the evictions list, which is just a list of landlords evicting their tenants. That is different than the list we're talking about today, because that's just a list you can get from the government. If you want to learn more, just go to freewholesaling.com. Then you don't have to use XLeads for this. But specifically inside of XLeads, you can actually pull this list. So let's get inside of XLeads and show you how to pull the tired landlord list. So right here, I am inside of XLeads. And what I'm going to do is just go to lead pipes, go to property leads, and just choose any random market. Let's do Miamisburg, Ohio. And we got 11,000 properties here. Now, all I'm going to do is on the include tab here, just click board investor. Now, it is different and it's a different name. That's why I'm trying to change tired landlord up a little bit here. But basically what board investor is it's an absentee owner who have owned the subject property for a long period of time. Basically what we do is, if the person has owned it for a while and they don't live in the house, but somebody else is living in there. So a vacant property is somebody else owns the property, but no one's living in it. But if somebody owns the property, but the mailing address is different, but someone else is occupying, it's not vacant, we know that most likely is a landlord. And this is just landlords that have owned the property for a while. This is what a tired landlord list is. What I do here on top of that too is just click exclude and get rid of the active listings. So you don't want any active listings in the area. And we're going to find here is people that have owned the piece of real estate for a long piece of time. They might want to sell the house. Now the cool part about this is I don't have any AI features going on this, but you can see here that we have free and clear property. We have one with high equity. We have one that's behind on their taxes. Heck, we can niche this thing down like crazy. Now we have 672 properties here, so we don't want to get too nuts. One thing I will tell you to do here is, if you want to do it really quick and like get a little tiny list, I'd go out here and then include delinquent tax activity. So these are tired landlords that haven't paid their property taxes, which, oh boy, that's a good list. So that ends up being like 112 people that are not paying their taxes that are a board investor or a tired landlord. And heck, if I had to call 100, like I'd probably text these, reverse drive for dollars them if I can. This is an amazing market. Now I'm just going to select all of these, put them in my leads here and just download it. And this is exactly what I would do. Tired landlord list is an amazing list. And if you want to actually get great real estate data that is updated on a daily and weekly basis, you have to go to XLeads. It's the ultimate all-in-one wholesaling software that has the ultimate CRM, data, top tier skip tracing, and again, the ultimate dispositions platform for wholesaling real estate. So if you want to check it out, just go to XLeads.com and I'll see you soon. This is Zach signing out. Have a blessed one.